Guess that's where you slide. There's like a whole line for it. That kind of sucks. In the pictures, they make it seem like you can just walk in and slide. Too bad I won't really be able to film myself because this camera's not waterproof. But maybe I will. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a shot. That's how people slide. That's pretty cool. See how this person goes down? Yeah.
When you hit the bottom, you can go emergency right there. You gotta go under.
But I got all dried up, went on that slide, as you guys saw in the video previously. Now we're just going back for a little hike. Gonna explore some nature in Sliding Rock, North Carolina.
Yeah.
Perfect part is you got shade over here. I mean, do carry water on me, but don't really need it. And that's the area where you change. They got bathrooms, spot to change if you know, need to change. People over here.
I like the shade here.
Oh, me too, man. Climb up here. Do some photo shoots. After hours. Fine, I'm just gonna get like a shoot over here. So that's it's another viewpoint. But yeah, you got the water right there. That's the stream. Yep. And they got lifeguard on duty here, at least till 6 p.m. After hours, you're on your own. That's the lifeguard area. You got a slide over here. Pretty nice.
You want a photo or?
Yeah.
Go walk up to that car and get that footage of that smoke area.
Right.
I'll just stand by your car, but go over
Okay.
there. No, over there where the fire is. Look, there's a fire.
Yeah, I know. That's where I'm going.
Okay, good.
Yeah. It's the main road. We're driving around. Those cars. That's so cool. Looks like some people are having campfire over here. Nice. People are swimming. That's so cool. But definitely a place to have a campfire, a little family picnic, little private swim area. Because I was on that public one. This one's more private, secluded, and you can just park your car on the side. And there you go. Sliding Rock, North Carolina. You got some wildlife here. Yeah. See what's on the other side. I guess that's where you mark, so you don't. I don't even know why that's on there, to be honest with you. If anyone wants to comment why there's like a bag on a branch, let me know. Maybe it's like a place marker or something so you don't get lost. But no, I'm just returning my car. I just thought that was kind of cool that people were out burning things and swimming, just chilling, chillaxing. Arthur's filming something. He's filming me, I'm filming him. What's that? Yeah, I got a little bit. Nice. No, it's pretty private over there. Secluded. You find anything cool?
Yeah, that's some of this.
Oh, you got me some cool stuff?
I'll airdrop this later too.
Oh, heck yeah, dude.
Get put in a video.
Heck yeah. Okay.
Actual stairway.
There's actual stairway. You can actually go down here.
Zigzag.
Zigzags. And there you go. There you have it.
And you can sit there and chill there.
Oh wow. It's nice and calm. Wonder if there's any fish over there. Affirmative here. Just got home from, as you know, Sliding Rock, North Carolina. And just to answer a few quick questions, they do have a parking lot at this place. It's $5 per person. There's definitely a lot of room over there. The line for the slide itself, I had to wait about 10 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. I'm sure if you go on a non-busy day, it'll be much quicker and there might not even be any lines. Sliding Rock is located in western North Carolina near Brevard. And it's named because visitors can slide all the way down to the waterfall into the plunge pool below, which is about 10 feet deep. So definitely know how to swim. If you don't know how to swim, you might want to learn now. But yeah, it is a bit cold, but it was mentally refreshing for me. I was feeling a little bit hot. Once I jumped in, I felt like awakened all of a sudden. We walked around. There's some good spots, hiking spots. I think you can go camping over there. They do have picnic areas where your families can have food or whatever. Would I go back? Definitely. But definitely better for families to go, I would say. I mean, as a single person, yeah, it's fun. But if you have a family, your kids will like it even more. And there's a lot of nature, a lot of wildlife to look at. Relatively pretty safe place. People are very friendly, very helpful. I look forward to more adventures next week. Thank you for sitting down and listening to my video. I'm just going to quickly say something in Russian real quick, in case people don't understand English. Где я гулял, называется такое место, называется Sliding Rock. Типа скользкий камень, по-русски называется. Это в Северной Каролине находится. Тут стоит $5 за каждый человек. Там есть парковка, и там есть полицай. Ну как, не надо переживать за твои вещи, люди смотрят на это все. Вода очень холодная, и если ты не знаешь, как плавать, я тебе советую выучить, как плавать. Просто тебе будет очень сложно там. Когда ты падаешь, там 10 фитов где-то после горки. Но очень приятный чувство после, когда жар, особенно когда жара, тебя сразу, как сказать, мозги промывает. Ну, как тебе объяснить? Ну, типа ты чувствуешь себя как новый человек.